I have Xiaomi Mi A2 and let me show you how to clear the browser data on the following device. So in this example, let me show you how to delete the history from Google Chrome. So at the very beginning, let's open the Chrome. So in my case, let me use the following website. This is my homepage. Let's use more key. Scroll down, choose settings. Here you need to find and select the privacy right here under advanced. Scroll down again and choose clear browsing data. So here you can use some basic stuff, or you can choose advanced in order to clear browsing history, cookies and site data, cached image and files, save passwords, autofill form data, site settings, media license. What's also really interesting, you can use the time range, so you can clear all this information from last hour, from last 7 days, or for example from all time. Let me choose all time, and now all you need to do is to tap clear data, and right now we just cleared the browser data. Everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.